can follow along with me. By the way, I'm recording this after I did the experiment, so I kind of know things that you don't. So I'm not going to divulge too much, so let's get on with the video. Here we have our chopped cabbage. Be sure to chop it into really small pieces and get an adult to help you. We also have a little bit of boiling water here. Also getting an adult to help with the boiling water because it's really dangerous. Now we're going to add in the cabbage. Can you see? It's turning blue. Wow. 10 minutes now and our liquid is completely cool. Just strain it. And the blue thing has become a rather pretty purple. Ta-da! Since it's pretty dark purple, I'm going to need to add a little bit of cold water to make sure it is purple, but still transparent. Okay, now for the fun. Gather your audience and can you see that? Whoa! Can you see it? It's changing color. Whoa, isn't that amazing? It turned blue. Whoa. Look, it turned pink. From purple to blue to pink. Wow, I'm pretty proud of myself. I can't believe this worked. Okay, I'm about to show everyone I can find this magic trick. Bye! I almost forgot. Since this is a respectable educational video, I'll have to tell you why this works. Now, cabbage contains something called anthocyanin, which changes color if something is an acid or a base. Acids and acidity is measured in something called a pH scale. If something is an acid, it'll have a low pH scale. And if something is a base, it'll have a high pH scale. So, this vinegar, is an acid. So it turns the anthocyanin pink. The baking soda is a base, and it turns the anthocyanin blue. If you're wondering what water is, well, it's neutral, sort of in the middle. That's why it turned cabbage juice purple. Right. That's enough explaining. Let me just find my friends. I need to show them this.